How GoDaddy Auctions work. GoDaddy Auctions is a marketplace where users can buy and sell domain names. It features domains that are expiring, listed for sale by owners, or available for bidding. Here's a step-by-step guide on how it works. 1. Types of auctions. Expired domain. Auctions domains that are expiring and have not been renewed by their current owners. 7-day public auctions. Domains listed for sale by individuals, open for bidding over 7 days. Buy now domains. Domains listed at a fixed price for immediate purchase. Offer counteroffer listings. Domains where buyers can negotiate the price directly with the seller. 2. For buyers. How to buy domains. Step 1. Create a GoDaddy account. Sign up for a GoDaddy Auctions membership, currently $4.99 per year, to access the marketplace and bid on domains. Step 2. Browse or search for domains. Use filters to search by keywords: domainextensions.com.net. Price range, auction type, expired by. Now, popular domains are displayed on the homepage for quick access. Step 3. Bid on or buy domains. For auctions, place a bid on the domain. Bidding continues until the auction ends. The highest bidder wins when the auction closes. For buy now, pay the listed price to secure the domain immediately. For offer, counteroffer, submit your offer and negotiate with the seller. Step 4. Complete the payment. After winning the auction, you'll be prompted to pay for the domain within a specified time. Step 5. Transfer the domain. The domain will be transferred to your GoDaddy account or the registrar specified by the seller. 3. For sellers, how to sell domains. Step 1. Create a GoDaddy account. Sign up for a GoDaddy Auctions membership to list domains. Step 2. List your domain. Set the type of sale. Auction, 7-day public auction. Buy now, fixed price. Offer/counteroffer, negotiable price. Provide details like minimum bid for auctions. Reserve price, if applicable. Keywords and categories for discoverability. Step 3. Monitor bids or offers. Track activity through your GoDaddy Auctions dashboard. For offers, respond to buyer negotiations. Step 4. Complete the sale. When the domain sells, GoDaddy facilitates payment and domain transfer.